Okay, it's November 1st, 2019. I still haven't had this chicken sandwich yet. I'm afraid to even ask if they even have it yet. You know what happened the last time, right? There's still no chicken sandwiches?
No.
Son of a bitch! Okay, here we go again. Round 2.
Hi, welcome to Popeyes. Order when you're ready.
Yeah, do you guys have those chicken sandwiches yet?
No, not yet.
Son of a bitch! See, now I have to start flashing again. Fine, just give me that 8-piece chicken with some biscuits and a big old bottle of that red Slurricane with some ice and some green apple Jolly Ranchers.
Are you thinking that we only have chicken and tenders.
Okay, that's fine. Just give me the 8-piece chicken. Hello?
Sorry, what side?
Oh, I get a side? Man, I don't know. Just give me a side of that Cajun chicken fried rice or whatever you be having. And oh yeah, let me get 85 packets of that Louisiana hot sauce. Family member.
You only get one with the 8-piece chicken.
Son of a bitch! Man, see, y'all ain't nothing but some stingy ass motherfuckers!
Will that be it?
Does that come with biscuits?
Yes, comes with 6.
Okay. No, that'll be it. Thank you, though.
Okay.